Cullinan is for Rolls-Royce motor cars quite a departure. It's a complete new animal, to say it like that, and our intention was, of course, to enter into that SUV segment with a clear Rolls-Royce proposition. So this car is what I would call a perfect combination between what is Rolls-Royce well known for, magic carpet ride, utmost in luxury, and of course combining excellent 4x4 capability. This car brings you definitely effortless everywhere. For the very, very first time in its segment, we have designed what I would call a three-box SUV. It goes back to a kind of history of Rolls-Royce, where always the loading space was separate from the cabin space of the cars. And that is a little bit of notion to this kind of history in the brand.